Hi, this is Ina Calder with the InDe'B Quilt Shop, and am coming here to tell you about a class we're having on the Sew Steady bag. Is that not so cute? Um, we have two other kits. It's unfortunately not this color, this fabric. I just used some scraps I had on hand. This is the pattern that we have here, and our kit includes everything that you'll need for it, from the zippers to everything else. So you unzip this whole zipper around here, your little handles, and when you open it up, it's just really fun because you can do all different kinds of things with the fabrics inside. We're going to have different zippers for them also. But I love how this bag has all these little compartments. And you can open them up and see all your things. And you have all these different places to put like your threads and your needles and your stylist and your rotary cutter and everything that you could need to take with you to a class like that. Love this little bag, and so excited to show you how to make this bag. It's going to be July 22nd. It is here in Ogden, so if you live here locally or nearby, it'd be a great class for you. We have limited seating. There are only 8 seats and 2 of them are already gone. So we would love to have you come and to do that. You can pick the kit up by Friday and get a discount on your kit. There's 2 of them to choose from. You have to choose which kit you want. There is one that is Summer Picnic. So cute. Mint colors, pink. Really, really fun. And then there is a Sonnet Dusk. And it's more of your dusky colors and really soothing colors that are with that one. So we hope that you will join us in our class, and we hope to see you there on July 22nd. It's a Saturday, 9 to 1, 4 hours. And when you register for the class, then you will get an email telling you all the information about where to go. And your kit comes completely inclusive, and you'll also get instructions from me for how to prepare your fabric before you come. Have a great day. Chat with you later.